Hello. Today I am going to show you my dogs, 'cause why not? First we have this bastard who is the hyperest one but is tired. This is Rhino. He is fluffy, very fluffy. This is Wrigley, the grumpy one. Very grumpy, I don't know why. Also fluffy. And then we have the sweetest little girl ever, Ivy, my baby. She's so cute. Anyway, if you want to see my dogs again, just comment down below. Or yeah, just do that or something. Anyway, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, share this with your friends if you want to. And have a beautiful day, my sunflowers, and be safe from COVID. Bye.